What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money with ChatGPT on various different platforms. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to find inspiration and find people that are actually making money doing this. So as you can see, if we go to Instagram.com, here is one example of a page that are making money with ChatGPT software. As you can see, this page is called Motivation Mondays with 1.2 million followers. And the whole point is that you want to go out there and create templates and quotes for these pages, or you can go out there and create your own Instagram page and start posting, because these guys are getting thousands and thousands of traffic and likes on their page. And then you can turn around and build out a very nice Shopify store promoting your own products, maybe getting into print on demand, and basically you can utilize your Instagram page as your business. Now, the second thing that you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT and you want to start generating these quotes so that you can start building out your business. So now that you know people are actually making money doing this, now you want to go into ChatGPT and start generating these quotes. And this is the best thing about this software, is that this software will literally create quotes for you on autopilot, because now you don't have to go out there and do the research. You can literally do this every single time. As you can see, here's a couple examples that I can do. I can ask it top 20 motivational quotes of all time, top 20 rap lyrics of all time, top 20 movie quotes of all time, top 20 WWE quotes of all time, top 20 motivational quotes of all time. So you can see the endless amount of possibilities of niches that you can get into. So let's start with the first one called top 20 motivational quotes of all time. So I'm going to click enter and let's see what ChatGPT generates us. So as you can see, it's going to start generating quotes from Steve Jobs, Theodore Roosevelt, Confucius, Franklin Roosevelt. Let's say you want to be in a different niche and you like music or rap. You can literally ask it top 3 rap lyrics of all time. And it's literally going to, give me, the best rap lyrics such as like Eminem, possibly Jay-Z, right? There's so many different endless amount of possibilities. Lil Wayne, or let's just say you're a movie head and you like watching movies all the time, right? I can ask it top movie quotes of all time, right? And it'll give me movies from Terminator, Casablanca, Star Wars. Let's just say you grew up watching wrestling and you like WWE. There's a bunch of fans out there that want some motivation, right? You can literally type in top 3 WWE quotes of all time, and it's literally going to generate it, of the likes of Ric Flair, Steve Austin, The Rock, right? So now that you know that you can create quotes on autopilot with ChatGPT, the next thing that you're going to want to do is actually create these templates using Canva. So on Canva, since we're making Instagram templates, you simply want to go to the search bar and look for the Instagram square feature. So here is the square feature on Instagram. It's at 1080 by 1080. And as you can see, we can start with a brand new template. Canva has a lot of resources and templates that you can use, but we're going to start from scratch. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how you can go out there and create templates for your Instagram pages. All right, so the first thing within Canva is you want to get your images for your backgrounds. Now, there are 2 websites that I recommend getting your images to. You can get your images from Pexels.com, where you can get free stock royalty-free images, and these are great for vast array of background images. You can also go to Google Images and search up celebrity photos for your backgrounds. So once you type in a specific keyword that you like, you can go into the filter tab and go into orientation and select the square tab, and this is going to show all the square images that you can use for your background images, right? So these are very nice images that you can use for your motivational quotes. Another thing, again, is going into Google and searching up a specific celebrity, such as like Ric Flair, and you can basically save these onto your drive and use these as your images. You can search up Bruce Lee, you can search up Jay-Z, whatever the case may be. You can do any type of image and use these as your templates. All right, so now that you uploaded your images, then you want to actually drag your image into the background of your Canva template. So once you do that, you can go into the next section where you can create the text of that specific person or that specific quote. For example, we have Lil Wayne, right? If we go back to ChatGPT, we can grab Lil Wayne's quote and copy it, and we can go back into Canva and I can literally paste in his quote, And just to make this a little bit nicer, we can make this smaller, maybe go into a 40 text, and then we can drag this to the bottom and we can literally use that as our text image. So as you can see, you can't really see the text on this image. So we're going to take this to the next level. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can actually make this look really nice and appealing. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to play around with the image. You're going to go with edit image, and we're going to boost the contrast a little bit higher so that we see Lil Wayne really nice, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a white text. So once we come in here, we can change this to yellow, we can change this to white, whatever you want to do, guys, whatever works best for you. Then we're going to go into elements and we're going to type in gradient. And then once I type in gradient, I'm going to select this specific one right here, and then we're going to put this in the corner, and we're going to drag this to make it much bigger, right? So that we can start to begin to see that nice little text at the bottom, right? And then we can just drag this a little bit lower, and voila, here is a simple quote that you literally created in less than 5 seconds. So you can do this with any other template. Again, you can customize it. You can change the color of the text to yellow. You can change the background, whatever the case may be, guys. You can do this with any type of image you want. Then the best thing to do this, to make this process a lot faster and easier, you can duplicate the image, and basically you can scroll down and it's going to create 2 different images, and I can go back into templates and I can literally drag let's say Ric Flair into the second image, right? And then I can go back to ChatGPT, and let's say I want to get a specific quote from Ric Flair. I can come in here, I can copy this, and I can go back into Canva and literally just paste it in there. Boom. So we got another template that we created in less than 5 seconds, right? So I can make this look nice right there. I can maybe change the text to yellow, or right? So I can make this yellow, right? So that looks really, really dope, right? And then I can duplicate it again, and I can get maybe let's just say you want to use this image right here. So once I've dragged the image for this specific quote, I can go back to ChatGPT, and let's say I want to get one of these motivational quotes by let's say Mark Zuckerberg. Right, so since we're on Instagram, we'll just use Mark Zuckerberg as an example, and we're going to copy that, and basically we're going to replace the text. We're going to put his name right here. Boom. And as you can see, we can't really see this image right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text into white, and I'm basically going to edit the image of the background. So I'm going to make the contrast even more. Maybe we can go a little bit lower with the contrast. As you can see now, we can see the text for this specific image. Maybe we want to lower or raise the saturation of the photo, depending on what you want to do, right? You can lower this a little bit just so we can make it look like this specific image here. As you can see, it looks exactly like how we created it here. And you can play with the text, whatever feels nice for you. You can definitely do that.